You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing names, let's call them, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This is more usually a girl's name. Loren, that's British English pronunciation. In the US, they often pronounce it slightly differently as Lauren, so the O sound can be a little bit different depending on the accent. Lauren or Lauren, not usually Lauren. Lauren. How do you pronounce it yourself? Stress on the first syllable. Let us know your preferred pronunciation in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.